Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two compact and efficient washing machines designed for small spaces. The DXJJ portable washing machine and the Elevon QD-Mini PWMG-Y1Gs. Both machines offer unique features and capabilities, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. First, let's talk about capacity. The DXJJ portable washing machine boasts a generous 10-liter capacity, making it suitable for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Elevon QD-Mini PWMG-Y1G has a washing capacity of 5.5 pounds, which is ideal for smaller loads. If you often wash larger items or multiple garments at once, the DXJJ might be the better choice for you. Next, let's examine the features. The DXJJ portable washing machine is designed with eco-friendliness in mind, using less water and detergent. However, it lacks a spin-drying function. On the other hand, the Elevon QD-Mini PWMG-Y1G offers a two-in-one design that combines washing and spin-drying, making it a versatile option for those who want to save time and space. Finally, let's discuss operation. The DXJJ portable washing machine features a simple dial control, making it easy to use. In contrast, the Elevon QD-Mini PWMG-Y1G utilizes a rotary timer controller, which can also be user-friendly but may require a bit more attention during operation. Depending on your preference for control types, one may suit you better than the other. In conclusion, both the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Elevon QD-Mini PWMG-Y1G have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize capacity and eco-friendliness, the DXJJ is a great option. However, if you need a machine that offers both washing and spin-drying capabilities, the Elevon is worth considering. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.